Hi ladies! It's time to trust glowing skin remedies like this face mask, which has egg yolks to make your skin radiant and baby soft. So, all we need is 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of honey. This mask great for those who have dry skin. Egg yolks are a great source of moisture. They contain cholesterol. Honey, on the other hand, helps to restore the hydration levels of your skin. Both of them together nourish your skin cells and give you that radiant glow. It fights acne too. The protein in eggs help in binding the skin tissue, due to which your skin gets its elasticity and promotes cell repair. It also helps in the regeneration of new skin cells. The zinc and vitamin B2 present in the yolk will help you stay ageless. It aids in skin tightening, which keeps wrinkles miles away from you. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and make a smooth paste. Now, clean your face and ensure there is no dust on it. Apply this face mask evenly on your face. Don't cover your eyes and keep it for about 15 minutes. Once it's dry, you might feel the tightening effect, but there is nothing to worry about. It's pretty normal. After that, rinse it properly with water. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.